Weddy now, you're doing your stuff now. So then what was that first night like now, really getting to play on Stone Love when you hear them push, well, Stone Love? What was that feeling like?
It was a different feeling. It was a different atmosphere. Mm-hmm. It was a good feeling because I'm a youth, I'm smart, you know. I'm a young youth, I'm kind of smart, I never observe and you know, I go there and early, I know say I'm a little youth and I say I be big people there, you know, and them. I never get much time for play there when my father Paul give me 15 minutes. But when my father Paul, the teacher, the professor, them Monday can hear you play one song. Your first song, they can play, and we Paul can tell you say, him good.
Yeah.
Your first song. Him have that passion there for the music.
Yeah.
So I'm going to play for 15 minutes. You understand? And the 15 minutes, it was early too. So you know it was more mature crowd. I don't know, me mama tell us I always say them little study, them little hold it. So I'm gonna say like call them and say, he my dog. And me up next to them cause some my dog aspiring and I say, what should I go on, man?
Yeah.
Play some more it's my dog as a little youth and everybody I say, yeah, look at you know them children there. Yeah.
And that's what people like. You see when you don't look like you're supposed to know those things and then you start reeling them off?
I say this, you know. You see, foundation can't get out foundation. Can't get out the root. So Gugu Mental went to Stone Love, you observe Stone Love style, because you have to play Stone Love style, but you have to put your style with it. Because remember, every man have them own style, but you can't left out the original and the foundation. Can't do that.
Because it's like you go, it has a pattern, you just add to it your
pattern.
style.
Yeah, do it my style, my way, but the same pattern.
Yeah.
You understand? And I don't feel most of the young selector them for the car. Most of the young selector them, you know, people bash them and say them play one set of music and them this and them that, but sometimes I feel the right thing for tell them is them for do more homework. YouTube is there.
Yeah.
Bounty Killer tell me that's a Gugu Mental, YouTube is there. I just go up on Stone Love and I talk to Bounty Killer, him say, youth, I say young, you don't know the thing of Stone Love is like a big library, a big museum. You have to go in there, search, take out what you want and bring it to the phone and you run the place. You understand? So you have to do the foundation. Once them learn the foundation there, with them style, with them have now, and then put it together, murder.
You see, and even the fact that even you said Killa now, because remember, the first time you're going, you're seeing Killa and all these artists here.
Yeah.
What was that like really knowing that Killa's talking to you? Did he see something in you or say, yo, I see this youth's going to really bust, make him really give you a talk?
Yeah, all right. Bounty Killer are the first, I'm forward on Stone Love, are the first artists where me and him did end up have a good relationship.
Yeah.
Is it I'm a G, and man, they reason me from when I did young. Man, it's like Gugu Mental, you are going, you're young. Stone Love is a library. Is it? You can't reach far from Stone Love, but you have to do your homework. Bounty Killer said, do your homework, Gugu.
Yeah.
Go into the museum, go into the box, go for the thing them, go for the weapon them, and forward out, and you run the place.
And especially somebody like Killa telling you to do this, and you're excited to meet Killa, so you 100% you're gonna listen to him and say, this is what I need to do.
Yeah, man, so you know, if I tell the general, I tell them, man, them been there before, you know. And I'm not telling the foolishness. You see, I never chat to nobody, I'm a career. No say, yo, general, I say, yo. So it did a good feeling.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah, grow now. So it's a good feeling, you know, stuck. So it motivates you along the way.
To keep moving.
Yeah, to keep moving.
Did you feel like, say, yo, I'm a boss now the first time you played Stone Love?
Alright. Me's a humble youth, you know.
Yeah.
The boss, alright. From the on Stone Love, I'm just forward at Stone Love till now, I'm the same type of person me is. See, so me's not a youth to really live that something there, but boss. I just feel like music is a mission and the cake so big that it don't make sense you wanna try to be too much older, like say, yo, I hear a thing. You are you, man, you have a fans them and people are gonna use you and people are gonna have them other selector with them like, but you just have to do great. So if you are the great, me are the great, a promoter can say, yo, me a book Mussolino, me a book Gugu Mental, I'll put it like, and a mind frame that me afterwards the music.
Yeah.
My mind frame is not about, say, run the place and go bust. I'm bigger than nobody. Means I'm more of a want to the thing, gel and, you understand me I say? Yeah.
You're like a team player. You
A team player. Yeah. You understand? More my son with their own Stone Love. Play with any man, you understand? Come in, I could do the thing. He's not a self-centered person. No, I ain't my thing.
Yeah.
You see it? My thing, a team. Yeah.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.